In this video, we're going to be looking at how to install ColibriSM. That's the ultimate social network PHP script. So use our affiliate link in the description to purchase this script. After purchasing the script, then go straight to the cPanel. For my cPanel, I go to my file manager. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. If this video is helpful, please use buy me coffee link in the description to buy me coffee. So next, I go to my subdomain. Where is it? I have already uploaded the script. Then next, I'm going to extract files. Okay, after extracting the files, I click on close. Then I right click. Okay, to open. Let me open. I double click to open. Sorry. Select all, and I right click to move to the root folder. Move files. Now, after I've successfully uploaded to my cPanel, then next I go back to my cPanel again to create my database. Then I go to my database. My name is my databases. I create the name of my database. Let me say this. Create database. Next, I click on go back. I have successfully created my database. Next, I'm going to create my user. This is my username. Yeah. Response. Then I click on create user. Go back. So I have created my user, I've created my database. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. Okay, I selected this one from automatically. I will select this myself. Then click on add. I give out privileges. Scroll down to make changes. Now, I've created my database. Let me now go to my site. Enter. Okay. /install. Then next I click on I agree. Continue. Continue. Okay, I fill this. Yes, I fill this. Okay. When I click on install, after filling all of them, I click on install. Let's go. So I log in now. I have successfully installed my script. As you can see, please, to install this script, use the IAM link in the description to IAM to help you install the script. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channels. Thank you.